Hey guys, welcome back. Ripley Ventures. Beautiful spring day here in Minnesota, and we are going out planting some food plots today. We're planting clover, a little bit of Domain Comeback Kid, and then I'm going to try this Imperial Whitetail Clover. I got some lime to put out. I got Bowden with his new Kubota tractor hat. He's excited. Got the tiller on. And Brindley's gonna drive around with the old go-kart, give her a whirl. Hold on, B. Okay, Bowden said he wants to drive, so we'll see how good he is. No crashing, dude.
I won't.
You won't?
I drove this one.
Okay, back to the food plot. Back there, Rip's running. Here's one of our food plots. Okay, we're gonna go back, way back to the one in the woods. Lots of deer tracks. We're gonna go down to the little one. Brindley might be stuck. Hold on, Bodie. Gotta go help Sissy. This thing needs some better tires on it. They burned them right down to the rubber. They're like slicks. You stuck? You need a lift? Give her a go. Okay, Bowden, you ready? Back at her? Get us back and then we'll start tilling. Brindley. Oh, you hit a little twig. Good job, Bowden. Nice drive. Should we show everybody our spot here? Brindley's making her.
She just made her own path.
Yeah. So here's what we're gonna till up. This is about the best spot we have for sunshine.
Dad, guess what I'm good at driving that tractor? Because I've been driving my case on this for a while.
Yes, you have. So we're gonna till up this area. At one point I did have it. Yep.
Dad, I don't see you.
I gotta put a safety switch.
I already see view tracks.
Deer tracks? Yep.
Isn't that like one of the steels on the go-kart? Or that has that knob?
That thing on the knob?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be the kill switch.
That's
That's how you shut off the engine, but I haven't hooked it up yet.
yeah, because I was wondering like that. Because I can't reach the kill switch, like, because Dad, what if we're going, like, the go-kart goes on the controls? Is that what it's for?
Yep. So we're gonna till all this up. Look at the deer. They've been here eating this stump. I poured a bunch of stuff on it. So we're gonna sprinkle a bunch of lime out, get that all turned up in it, and then we're gonna throw the seeds out and hopefully we get some rain.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll show you how to do this. Tell me if I get you.
No?
Hey. So I'm just gonna spread this lime. Bowden's spreading it too. Come over here, Brindley.
You know it's on, right? I got my new watch. The Gizmo
Here you go,
watch.
little Johnny Appleseed. So this is gonna make the soil.
I like your hat, Bowden.
This is gonna make the soil.
The
a lot better
Bowden.
for the trees.
Can I have some? Yeah. Yeah. I don't think you want to do this. Makes your hand white. That's what it looks like. Makes your hands white though, see?
Oh, it's dusty.
Look at how dusty it is. Might hit us. Ah. Oh, you hit us.
Did you show them what it looks like?
What?
What the lime looks like?
Yeah, I just did.
Put it up so close.
This is what my hands look like, so white. So these are the things. So what lime does, it helps, if you don't know, kids, it helps, so all these pine trees, it doesn't get rid of them, but it helps, like, so they don't grow, for these plants grow better, because all these pine trees and stuff, that's why. Empty, nice. But we have 2 more still.
We gotta do that on the other food plot.
Oh, okay.
There's just so many pine trees right here. It makes the soil really acidic. And plants don't like to grow in it. Head drop coming in. What's that? Holy cow.
Just go like this.
Now we'll till it up and seed it. Got her all tilled up, went over it twice, threw out all the lime. Kids were helping. Now I got my seeds. Look at these colorful seeds. Pinks and yellows and greens and blues. We're gonna try some clovers. Don't waste it. Some clovers, some alfalfas, white clover, red clover,
Dad, can we just go?
alfalfa, clover, Lindeno clover, Crusade white clover. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna seed this, run it over with the tires, pack it down. We're gonna get some rain tomorrow and hopefully she'll grow. Sounds good. Later.
Get up, you big baby.
Be nice.